Hi, Hi.
Hi.
Come have a look at the room.
Yeah, come on in. First thing that you're gonna see is that you haven't packed enough clothes. Look at all of this storage. We got the robes, we got slippers, we've got a little vanity mirror. Then, the bathroom.
Come. So being a massive giant, I always appreciate a big shower. This thing is ridiculous. Look, shower head from here, loads of this going on, and a little seat.
In case you get tired.
In case you get tired.
This is a bathtub. It's the first of 2 bathtubs in your room. It's also enough to fit both Rob and me in twice, I would say.
I'm not going in the bath with her.
No.
And that's before you get to the really incredibly massive bedroom.
This is bigger than like the downstairs of my house.
It's huge.
It's almost as big as the TV.
The TV's massive on the wall. It's super comfy, honestly.
You've got like vibe lighting, little Bluetooth.
These come in and out for nighttime reading. Oosh, love it. But it does get a little bit better.
Let's go see the balcony.
The balcony is insane because not only have you got some private seating area,
Super comfy, you could lounge, you can chat, you can have your morning coffee.
there's also a bath. There's a bath. And there's that.
Check it out. Enter now to win this, kmfm.co.uk.
Go and answer that simple question and you could be staying here too.